How to automatically adjust table columns to fit text in Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open MS Word where your column is in. Select all the column, then go to Table Layout. In Table Layout, you'll find AutoFit option. After clicking on AutoFit option, you find three options: AutoFit Contents, AutoFit Window, and Fixed Column Width. Simply click on AutoFit Contents, which is the first option. As you can see, it is being auto-fitted automatically without selecting anything else. And that's how you automatically adjust table columns to fit text in Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.